and thank you for joining me. My name is Heather Forgan. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in Scotland. My website is stampwithnellie.com. Hello. Today I have a cute little card. It's only 3 inches square, and if I slide off that ribbon you'll see that it opens like this. I've used thanks on this, and I have used the Flowers for Every Season Designer Series paper, which has loads of lovely floral patterns and some other sort of stripes and dots and things like that as well. And this paper pack uses all of the 2020 to 2022 in colours from Stampin' Up, so it's great to coordinate with all of the in colours, inks and card, as I've done with this little card here. So I just want to quickly show you how to make this cute little card, and these would fit in Stampin' Up's 3 inch by 3 inch envelopes as well. You may notice I've got stitching round the triangles as well as round those squares in there, and that's because I have used the stitch triangle dies, and I've also used these squares from Stitch Shapes. So the largest one of those fits in the inside there, show you that, and those two are the smallest one is the one that I stamped, and then the one up from that there. So there's one of them that I haven't used out of the set of the squares. So I've already pre-cut them for the next one. And with the triangles, I've not moved these onto my magnetic sheet yet. So for that I use this one, I think it was. Yes, that one there. So the Designer Series paper comes in 6 inch by 6 inch sheets, so I actually cut it in half and in half again, so got 3 inch by 3 inch, and that's plenty big enough for your panels to go on there. And that's the design I used for the first card, and that's the one I'm going to use for the second card that I'm going to show you today. Okay, so as I say, I've already cut these bits out ready to use. So all we're really doing is showing you how to make the base of the card, which is nice and easy, and then assembling all the little bits of it together. Okay. So I have a piece of the Magenta Madness card that measures 9 inches by 3 inches, and I'm going to score that at 3 inches and at 6 inches. And it's nice and handy with 6 inches if you just push your card right up to the stopper there, that's at 6 inches. If you needed to measure anything longer, you need to put the arm out of the trimmer like that. Okay, so we've now got this bit. We need to do the cutting on the diagonal. So I'm just going to fold those there. So I'm cutting from the outside corner to that score line. Just put your points lining up with the track there. That's the scoring one, I don't want that one. And I tend to put mine in the middle so that I'm not trying to cut in at a corner like that. And then same on the other side, from the outside. So I need to do it from this corner up to that one, so outside bottom corner this time, so it was outside top corner, the first one, and straight through like that. That was easy. And there you've got your card base. Out the way. Just reinforce your lines. There we go. So to all intents and purposes, looks like a nice square card, just with a little twist. Just glue that on. Like that. There. Put this bit in the middle, on the inside. Plenty of room for you to write a little message of thanks. I think it's just nice to continue with the stitching theme all the way through. So we've got stitched squares from stitch shape dies, and we've got the triangles. Okay, now I'm not using any dimensionals or anything. I am just simply gluing these bits together. And it's nice and easy to fit into the envelope and pop into the post. Okay, now I want to glue that on, but clearly I don't want to fully glue it, because then I wouldn't be able to open. So I don't want to put any glue on that part. I just want to put it on this bit here. Okay. Close it over, make sure I've got it reasonably central, and I'll actually put it slightly off so that my sentiment is straight. I clearly didn't die cut that very well. And then all I want to do is help it to close. So obviously it's going to bounce out like that. It does sit nicely when someone wants to display it. But yeah, you probably wouldn't want to leave it without closing it properly. And all I'm doing is using the Magenta Madness in colour ribbon, and I'm only going to do a double knot rather than tie a bow. I don't want it to be terribly tight, so I don't want it to be difficult to take off and on. There we are. One super quick and easy card. I've got a little bit on there, and as you'll see on this one, I have added some of the in colour dots. Yeah. These are the in colour enamel dots, and I've used all the same colour because I just had Just Jade on with that. I used my Take a Pick, but we've got Bumblebee on there as well as Magenta Madness. So I could kind of mix it up a little bit. I think I will. Yeah, I'll go with a Bumblebee as well. And there, and take another Magenta Madness. Yeah. Decisions. And there we go. Lovely, quick little fancy fold that you can pop into a 3x3 envelope and send a little thank you card to a friend. I hope you've enjoyed that quick and easy card tutorial for today. And I would love it if you would click on the subscribe button and the bell to get notified of my next YouTube videos. The information about the products that I've used today will all be in my blog post, and there will be a link to that in the description bar below. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.